Hey everybody, this is my friend Raymond. He lives next door and he loves to cook. He cooks things for me all the time and he's really good at it. Today he's going to help me demonstrate our brand new Deluxe Grill and Griddle. It launches March the 1st. We're going to be making the waffles with the Pampered Chef pancake and waffle mix. You'll want to be sure and check out his YouTube channel. He's got lots of cooking videos that are really good.
Preheat your Deluxe electric grill and griddle to 375 degrees for 8 minutes. Melt your butter. Go ahead and pour 2 cups inside of your measuring cup, but today we're using the Pampered Chef Measure-All. Add in your pancake and waffle mix, butter, and milk to your classic batter bowl. Your Pampered Chef stainless steel whisk to mix your ingredients and mix thoroughly. Once your batter is thoroughly mixed, let it sit for 5 minutes. While we're waiting on our batter, quickly slice up some strawberries and put them into your quick slicer from Pampered Chef. Once your griddle is preheated, brush your plates with vegetable oil. Add half a cup of batter to the middle of your plate. Close your top plate and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Once your waffles are done, top with your favorite ingredients. Mine is gonna be strawberries, Cool Whip, and syrup. And then enjoy. That's good. Now you know how to make some yummy waffles.
Thanks for helping me out today, Raymond.
You're welcome.
If you're interested in the Grill and Griddle or any of the other products we used today, be sure to check out my website listed below.